Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Now, stakeholders in the local Carnival ecosystem say despite the tight economic climate, demand for the party offerings and costumes has been high. Now, I spoke to some stakeholders as they prepare for the weekend's events. The orange economy is linked to a wide range of industries, and Carnival is a staple on the local calendar. The entertainment industry contributes billions of dollars to the local economy. However, in 2020, the COVID-19 pandemic forced a halt to many sectors, and entertainment was no different. Carnival in Jamaica was also halted. However, fast forward to 2023 and it's the return, and it's expected that Carnival in Jamaica will rake in, hopefully, more money than before.
The impact of Carnival in Jamaica's highlight season, which is from Holy Thursday all the way through to Carnival Sunday, is 4.6 billion Jamaican dollars. So not having Carnival for the years of 2020 and 2021, we would have had an estimated loss, or not loss, but an exclusion of about $9.2 billion from the economy. We want to get back to where we were, to start. I don't know if we will supersede it, but that's actually our benchmark.
Chairman of Exodus Carnival Band, Kamal Banki, says an estimate is being done to gauge earnings from last year's staging, which was scaled down. Inflation doesn't seem to be a big barrier for revelers looking to participate. They're paying in some cases up to $200,000 for costumes, accessories, and other elements.
We see the demand high, and we see that from the costume pricing side, we're pretty much where we used to be. I mean, we price all of our costumes in US dollars, so that doesn't necessarily change a lot year on year.
Exodus Carnival, which merged with Bacchanal Jamaica alone, will have about 4,000 people jumping, and they say it was a financial decision they had to make.
I wanted to do it and then COVID happened and stuff, so yeah, that's why I'm doing it this year. I love soca.
This is my fourth time. I'll probably come back next year too.
Accessory suppliers like vendors and other stakeholders say they've been looking forward to the season.
It's been going exceptionally well for me. I sell carnival stockings and other carnival accessories, and almost every single female who jumps carnival needs a stocking or would like some sort of something to camouflage, any little imperfections. So we found that people really buy into the product and want to wear them on Carnival Day.
Let's head to the stock market. The JSE index grew by 3,308 points to 18 points today, while the junior market index fell by 20 points. Among the winners were JMB Group's 7% variable cumulative redeemable preference shares, Trans Jamaican Highway, Mailpack Group and Trans Jamaican Highway 8% shares, as well as T-Tech. Now, the losers included Jamaica Public Service 7% shares, Portland JSX, Epley 7.75% preference shares, Express Catering, and Berger Paints Jamaica. The foreign currency market now, the US dollar is being sold for an average $153.31. $115.16 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $191.56 for the pound, while it's costing an average $170.44 for the euro. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.